From its humble beginnings in 1956, the National Railroad Museum in Green Bay, Wisconsin has grown into one of the largest railroad museums in the United States. In this video, we will take you on a complete walkthrough of this incredible collection, which includes over 70 pieces of rolling stock, including the very rare Big Boy and Aero Train. Thanks for joining us on another weekly adventure.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in Green Bay, Wisconsin, visiting the National Railroad Museum.
This is going to be fun. There's a lot of train enthusiasts out there. Thanks for recommending that we do more stuff with trains.
This was a great recommendation from one of our subscribers. Thanks so much.
Can't wait to show it to you.
Thanks for being here.
Oh my gosh.
That is so cool.
Wow.
So this is the Dwight D. Eisenhower train. You get to crawl around, see all the fun things. The President of the United States actually had this train shipped over from England.
If you're driving one of these, you can't see a thing. You'd have to stick your head out like this to know what was coming. So what is so cool is you can get up into these engines.
Just imagine President Eisenhower sitting right here. General Eisenhower is probably commanding the troops from this very train. The largest locomotive ever made, the Big Boy, is right here in Green Bay, Wisconsin at the National Railroad Museum. Who knew? This is how you fed the Big Boy. It held 24,000 gallons of water, 32 tons of coal. Hey, it's Jeff with LoveNesters. We are with Ben Weidman up at the National Railroad Museum in Green Bay, Wisconsin.
This kind of reddish one, that is a GG1 electric locomotive. You can see those that apparatus that would attach to wires.
Yeah.
And it was designed by Raymond Loewy, and he was the same person who went on to design like the Greyhound logo, the Shell Oil logo, Coca-Cola bottles. Like he was kind of that type of streamlined, sleek design.
Wow.
person. And that was built in the 30s.
So this is inside the electric train.
And that's kind of unique because you usually don't see doors like this on the side. The reason is because then they could take stretchers and people could go straight into that room right there.
So this train car is one of the most recent restorations that has been done here on site. This was actually a medical train. It was used to transport people, I believe, from Chicago, Milwaukee area to the Mayo Clinic. This part of the train would have been to house the staff, the nurses, regular passengers. So this is one of the bathrooms here, and apparently they've done such a good job of restoration, they've had problems with people thinking that this is a one that's for public use. So they've had to put some plexiglass up.
This one's from 1910.
Okay.
It's from the Escanaba and Lake Superior Railroad. So mostly in the Upper Peninsula.
They got a lot of snow.
Yeah, so this does not have an engine or anything. This would be the first one because it's a snowplow. It would be pushed by a locomotive. And then a guy or girl or whoever would be like kind of up there. So you go in here, walk around, go on the upper level and look around. It's all wood frame.
Okay.
So it's kind of cool. Restored dynamometer. See those kind of very sensitive instruments? This was something that would be used to kind of measure the pulling power in different stats relating to like a locomotive. So it's kind of a scientific train car.
This is one of the oldest boxcars on display in this museum, and it has an amazing story. It is a 40 by 8 boxcar. It gets its name because either 40 soldiers or 8 horses could fit inside it. At the end of World War II, the people of France donated one of these cars to each state and filled it with gifts to show their appreciation. What a beautiful story.
Hey, we are at the National Railroad Museum in Green Bay, Wisconsin. What a fabulous place to visit.
We are so thankful to Ben, who showed us around and gave us some great stories about these trains.
Thank you, Ben.
If you're enjoying our channel, we'd sure appreciate it if you would hit that like button. That helps others to find our videos.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here.
Before heading outside, be sure to check out the other non-rolling stock exhibits, like this collection of drumheads. Drumheads used to appear on the last car of a train. They were often tossed, but one man amassed this incredible collection.
This is a world-class collection of drumheads, and it's interactive. You can just simply push the button and it'll tell you exactly the train, where the train came from and the route it took.
Silver Streak, my nickname in college. This is the famous train. There's only 2 left of these in the entire world. And one's here, right here in Green Bay, Wisconsin at the National Railroad Museum. General Motors created this futuristic Aero Train. Unfortunately, it did not live up to its expectations. They thought this train was going to revolutionize the railroad industry in the 1950s. Unfortunately, it did not, and it only lasted 11 years and trained, but did not work. People liked their cars. You're not supposed to be up there, young lady.
I love this place. You can climb on everything. So much fun.
Are you sure? That's what you said last time, then we got kicked out. Are you having fun?
I'm having a great time. Highly recommend this place. There is a huge barn out here, but Love Nester tip, dress for the weather for this one. This one is outdoors. Wow, you really get to get up in here. There's where you would have sat. Wow, these look like wooden tanks.
They've got it all opened up so you can see inside. This is the Party and Curtain Lumber Company number 5. It was designed for crude logging railroads back in the late 1800s. This is their only narrow gauge locomotive.
Hey, what a great place to visit, the National Railroad Museum in Green Bay, Wisconsin.
This is a wonderful place, great for the whole family, any time of year. Tickets are a little cheaper in the winter because a train ride is not included.
Thanks for being here.
See you next week.
And here we have one of the... Are you a train conductor, sir?
A mannequin.
Okay, well that's going to wrap it up for us at the National Train Museum.
Like and subscribe if you